Connection channel. Now we are going to see about how to apply material in the 3D objects. I have been taking this staircase with handrails. Okay. Before that, going to that video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell button for further notification of the videos. Now I have taken this AutoCAD. In this AutoCAD I have already modeled this staircase. So how we can choose this and give the material properties. Before giving the material properties, we union this objects which are of same material. Okay. Now here I know this star, it is already unioned. It is a single object and remaining of this object should be union. So that we can take a single object. Okay, so I shall union it. So I shall choose union command. So I shall choose all the objects by aligning in viewing in the view direction. Okay, 3D objects. Again same command. Okay, I have selected by viewing in a direction. Now again when I view this, the object which I required is alone selected. I shall give enter. So it will be taking some time to regenerate because there is the object is large number of objects, so it is a single object. Okay, now we can specify the material properties by using the command rmat. So there is a dialog box. What is meant by rmat? It is nothing but material browser to open. That is rmat. Okay. Now I shall choose some of the libraries. Okay. So here in home button we can choose the library here. So in Autodesk library you can choose whatever object you required. Okay. In favorites, or if you have any favorites you can choose you can choose the Autodesk library. So here it is global, already global there is object. Okay, from here you can choose the material. For concrete, here number of concrete, it is concrete colors will be there, block, flat grey or something. Now we can choose some colors or material depending upon our material. Okay, here I shall choose rough concrete. Panels are uniform, non-uniform, industrial floor. Okay, I shall give an industrial floor. So to view this, you can go to home tab. Here conceptual, instead of conceptual, in view tab, instead of conceptual you can choose the realistic. So there will be some difference between each and everything previous what is given and now what is there. You can use panel, just click and drag it. Okay, now formwork, there is difference. Okay, then for this you can choose the material. For cast into, this is cast into. Here difference will be there if it is cast into. In concrete, cast into. Okay, now I shall choose the metal because there is metal, there is steel. Okay, we'll be using mostly steel or stainless steel certain something. So I shall choose stainless steel, hammered. Okay, the material it is in this way. This is colored, different colored. You can use silver, semi polished. The color may differ, there is difference. Okay, so this is how material is to be applied. So we shall give some more decorations to our star by modeling marble. Okay, so I shall choose rectangle. Dimensions, one it is 1500, step each step length it is 1500, and it is 300, it is the depth, so I shall choose 300. Okay, now again we should we shall region and extrude it. Extrude, shall use extrude command. But marble thickness will be maximum of 12 mm thickness, 12 mm thickness, so I shall choose 12 mm thickness. Okay, there will be some carving in this corners, so I shall use fillet edge. Okay, solid, in solid there is a fillet edge. You can use fillet edge command. In this corner I shall carve it by radius of 10 mm, or you can use 12 mm because we will be having full of curves. So here and this edge you can carve it. If you have carving, there will be some lines will be showing there. Okay, I have carved in all the three directions. Now I shall copy this and place it above the concrete layer in this corner edges of the star. There is difficulty while modeling in the realistic view, so I shall convert this into conceptual design. Okay, now I will be rotating this. Okay, through 180 degree. Now this carving will be in this other three sides. See here, there is no carving, so I shall carve it with radius it is 12 mm. Select the edges. So while modeling in realistic view, we couldn't see what is view modeled or not. We couldn't clearly view this. So I shall remove all the objects and then just again I shall place it. Okay, just I shall copy this solid. Now this carving is in the other three sides. Now I shall copy this. With this base. I shall place it in on the corners. Okay, now again you need to provide for the landing space. So I shall provide a rectangle of 180 dimension 1500 or 1800 cross 1500, and another rectangle dimension 1500 cross 1500. Okay, I shall copy this. Here I shall extrude this. Extrude all this three by thickness of 12 mm. Okay, now I have extruded. In this I shall make a carving in this two edges. So by fillet edge, radius already we have given, so it will be you can check it is 12 mm. Okay, I have made it. Now I shall take this fillet and placed copy and paste this at this edge, and remaining half portion I need to place this one. So I shall choose this corner, bottom base corner. So I could place at this place. Sorry, I couldn't view, so I shall turn this. This is the base point I have fixed. Now again I need to fillet edge. I need to fillet it at three corners, or you can fillet at the all the corners, because one edge will be the floor. I shall place it by three edges. Okay, now I shall place this filleted above this stair. Now we have placed the stair. Okay, now it is okay. Now we can see in the realistic view. Now you can place, there is difference. Now we can change by flooring or stone. Flooring will be available, finishing flooring. Okay, I shall use wild ivory. Okay, what is wild ivory? Just click it and click in both sides. Click drag and paste in both where required. Okay, this is the staircase we have modeled. So thank you for watching the channel. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you have any comments, you can comment in the comment section. If you like, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.